Here we go! Let's go!
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for northern Cleveland County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma, northern McLean County in central Oklahoma until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service and storm spotters were tracking a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado 2 miles east of Bridge Creek, or around 6 miles west of Newcastle, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Bridge Creek, Newcastle, Norman, Moore, and South Oklahoma City. Heavy rainfall may obscure this tornado. Take cover now. If you wait to see or hear it coming, it may be too late to get to a safe place. The safest place to be in during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of a building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets and pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands.
It's me, Mario! Hello!